Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to approve your time card in the Paycom app using a phone. Let's get started. First, open the Paycom app in your phone. If you are not logged in, just enter your username, password and company code. Once you're on your home page, look for the option that says time management or sometimes just time card. Tap on it. Now you will see your weekly or daily hours. Scroll through and check that your shifts clocks in and clocks out looks correct. Make sure your lunch breaks or overtime are showing properly. When everything looks good, at the bottom or top of the screen that says approve, tap on it. A pop-up will ask if you are sure. Tap yes or confirm. Once you do this, your time card is officially approved and sent to your manager. And that's it. You have just approved your time card in Paycom on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.